નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Hello students, this is part 8 of chapter 8, body movements of 6th standard science, isn't it? In the last part, we discussed about the skeletons, we discussed about the x-rays, why x-rays are useful to doctors. Then after we discussed about the carpals. So in another way, let me ask you some question. What is skeleton? Why doctor uses x-ray? Which bones are called carpals? You should know the answer of this question, and if you could not answer this, then you should go for the last video, that is part 7. Okay, and once again read your textbook. It is very much important to read your textbook. Okay, so now let's start this part with activity 4, which is available on the page number 70 in your textbook. So let's discuss about the activity 4. In this activity, the aim of this activity is to identify the structure of rib cage. To identify the structure of rib cage. By this time you don't know what is rib cage, what are ribs, okay? But this is our aim. So now let's read in the textbook and try to understand this activity. On the page number 70. Okay. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath and hold it for a little while. Take a deep breath and hold it for a while. Feel your chest bones and the backbone by gently pressing the middle of the chest and back at the same time. Then what you will have to do? First of all, take a deep breath, hold it for a while, then feel your chest and backbone. See, here there is a chest bone, okay, and here there is a backbone. So try to feel all the bones available in your chest, gently pressing the middle of the chest and back at the same time. Or you can press both the sides like this, okay? Then count as many ribs bone of the chest as possible. Now press gently over here also. Here, take a deep breath. Try to feel some bones over here also. You can feel over here also some bones, okay? So try to gently press and try to feel the bones. Now count as many ribs. See, these are some bones over here, isn't it? Those are ribs. So count as many ribs as possible. Observe figure 8.10 carefully. Observe figure 8.10 carefully and compare with what you feel of the chest bones. What you feel over here at the chest bones. We see that the ribs are curiously bent. Now look over here. So we completed the procedure. Then conclusion. These are the ribs. Okay. So ribs are long curved bones that join the chest bone and the backbone together to form the rib cage. Now see, you can see some bones over here. It is going somewhere over here, connecting this bone, as well as it is going at the back. Okay, 1 minute. So we feel these ribs. These are called ribs, and we see that the ribs are curiously bent. We see that ribs are curiously bent. They join the chest bone and the backbone together to form a box. They join the chest bone and the backbone from here to here and from this side to back side. Backbone together to form a box. This is called the rib cage. This is called the rib cage. Ribs are join the chest bone and the backbone together to form a box is called rib cage. Okay. There are 12 ribs on each side of the chest. There are 12 ribs on each side of the chest. Some important internal parts of the body lie protected inside the cage. Okay, on both sides there is to be 12 ribs. See, there are 12 ribs on each side of the rib chest. Then, total how many ribs are there? Can you say? So, total 24 ribs are available in the rib cage. Okay? 1 minute, one more minute. So, total 24 ribs are available in the rib cage, and some important organs of the body lie protected into this rib cage. Now let's try to understand. I have one example also. See, from the back side we can see these ribs very perfectly, and you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Total 12 ribs are there in the rib cage, and that will 12 this side, 12 this side. That is why total 24 ribs are there. Okay, and which joins? This is a backbone and this is a chest bone. So it joins chest bone and backbone, isn't it? And it is curiously bent. It is bent. Okay, so this is a rib cage. We have seen. Now, let's go for the backbone. How to understand that? Ask some friends to touch their toe without bending their knees. अब आपको अपने दोस्त को बोलना है, क्या बोलना है? कि ask him or her to touch ask them to touch his or their toe without bending this knees. नी को बेंड नहीं करना है, पैर को सीधा रखना है और अपने टो को टच करना है. ठीक है? Starting from the neck, move your finger downwards to the back of your friend. अब जब वो बेंड हो जाए, फिर आपको यहाँ से स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द नेक धीरे धीरे करके उसकी कमर तक वो जो बैकबोन है उसको फील करना है. Starting from the neck, move your fingers downward to on the back of your friend. What you feel is the backbone. जो आपको फीलिंग आएगा is a backbone. वो जब आप करोगे तभी फीलिंग आएगा. You will come to know. It is made up of many small bones. It is made up of many small bones called vertebra. Actually, here vertebra is a plural. Actually, only singular is vertebra. Okay. The backbone consists of 33 bones or vertebrae. The backbone consists of 33 vertebrae. The rib cage is joined to these bones. The rib cage is joined to these bones. If backbone was made up of only one bone, will your friend be able to bend? अगर ये जो बैकबोन है वो अगर सिंगल बोन का बना होता तो क्या आपका फ्रेंड वो टो टच कर पाता? इज ही और शी बी एबल टू टच दैट टो? is he can bend? No, it is not possible. Okay, so let's see first of all this backbone. Here you can see this is a backbone. From starting from where it is available up to over here. So this complete is a backbone and it is made up of 33 vertebrae. Okay, so remember well, total 33 bones. So with this we are ending this part and we discussed about ribs, rib cage and backbone. We'll discuss in the next part the shoulders and all the things. By this time we are ending this part and read this one in the textbook and go for this activity so that you can understand very well rib cage and the backbone. Thank you. Thank you for joining us. Take care of yourselves and we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.